Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect Pancakeswap to your Trust wallet. So first you need to open up your browser and then search for Pancakeswap and then go to the home page, and here you will see a connect wallet button on the top. You need to click on it, and after that you need to click on Trust wallet. So here you can see that I have not installed the Chrome extension. You need to click on install. This will open up the Trust wallet extension. You need to click on add to Chrome, add extension, and this will download the extension to my Google Chrome. So after that you can see that my extension has been installed. Now I need to click on it, and here you need to create a new wallet. Click on share data, set your password, agree the terms, click on proceed, click on start, and here you need to copy the secret phrase. You can either take a picture from your mobile and then click on proceed. And now you want to confirm your secret phrase. I will meet you after I have done that. Now here you can see that my wallet has been created. Now all you want to do is go back to Pancakeswap and then refresh this page, and then click on connect wallet, trust wallet. This will open up the trust wallet pop-up. You need to click on connect and then click on switch, and boom, you have just connected your trust wallet to Pancakeswap. Here when I hover my mouse to this wallet, you can see a disconnect button by which you can disconnect your wallet, and this means that my wallet is connected. So this is how you can connect Pancakeswap to your trust wallet. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.